Okay children, this is part 2. In this video, we are going to discuss about the 11th lesson nouns and 12th lesson common nouns and proper nouns. Okay, now open your textbooks and see. Page number 24. A bit. Write a suitable noun from the list given below in each blank. Here they gave three. What they gave? Yes, they gave the suitable nouns. Here we have to fill these blanks. Okay. See children, the dash or making a nest in the trees near our house. ఎవరు మేక్ చేస్తారు? నెస్ట్ ఉంటుంది కదా, నెస్ట్ని ఎవరు చేస్తారు నాన్న? చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చారు? త్రీ నేమ్స్. ఏమేమి నేమ్స్ ఇచ్చారు? ట్రీస్, లెసన్స్, బర్డ్స్. విచ్ వన్ ఈస్ ద కరెక్ట్ వన్ అమాంగ్ దీస్ త్రీ words? Birds. No, here write the birds. B-I-R-D-S. Birds. Next, dash give us wood, fruits, shade and many other things. Which one gives? Yes, trees gives us wood, food, fruits, shade and many other things. Here write the trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. Next, a good student always learns his or her dash well. A good student always learns his or her lessons. L-E-S-S-O-N-S. Lessons well. Okay. See here the first one. The birds are making a nest in the tree near our house. Next, second one. Trees gives us wood, fruits, shade and many other things. Third one. A good student always learns his or her lessons well. Okay. Next, see the B bit. Each sentence has two nouns. Write them in the blanks. Here are the sentence. No, this sentences has two nouns. We have to read this sentence first of all. Afterwards, choose the nouns. Write these two blanks. ఇక్కడ మనకి కొన్ని వర్డ్స్ కొన్ని సెంటెన్స్ ఇచ్చారు నాన్న. ఈ సెంటెన్స్ లో ఉన్న నౌన్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, నేమింగ్ వర్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, నౌన్స్. అందులో టూ నౌన్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఆ టూ నౌన్స్ ఏంటివో ఇక్కడ రాయాలి. సి ద పోలీస్ మ్యాన్ చేస్డ్ ద థీఫ్. ద పోలీస్ మ్యాన్ చేస్డ్ ద థీఫ్. Here policeman and thief are the nouns. Write here the spelling of policeman. P-O-L-I-C-E-M-A-N. Policeman. Next one is thief. T-H-I-E-F. Thief. Next. Doctors treats patients lovingly. In this sentence, which one is the noun? Doctor. The first one is doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R-S. Doctors. Next, patients. P-A-T-I-T-N-E-S. Patients. Doctors and patients. Next, third one. The girl is dancing in the room. The girl is dancing in the room. In this sentence, which one is the noun? The first one is girl. G-I-R-L. Girl. Next one is room. R-O-O-M. Room. See the fourth one children. The stars twinkle in the sky. The stars twinkle in the sky. Among this sentence, which one is the noun? Stars. S-T-A-R-S. The first one is stars. Next one is sky. S-K-Y. Sky. Next, air and water are necessary for us. Air and water are necessary for us. Here write the spelling of air. And here, which one write we have to? Water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. See the C bit children. Here are pictures showing nouns. Here are the pictures now showing the nouns. Write the words for each under it. Here we have to write this word. Then what is this? Sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. What is the second picture? Yes, very good. Plate. P-L-A-T-E. Plate. Next, third picture is boy. B-O-Y, boy. Next one is church. C-H-U-R-C-H, church. Next, 12th lesson, nouns, common and proper nouns. Open your textbook, page number 26. Worksheet A bit. Fill in the blanks with suitable nouns from the list given below. Already here list is there. We have to fill in the blanks. Okay, Nana? See here. The dash or in the tree. Here see in the picture the dash or in the tree. What are these? Is birds. Right, here's the spelling of birds. B-I-R-D-S. Birds. The birds are in the tree. The birds are in the tree. Dash sings well. Next one. Dash sings well. Miss Scott. See here. Miss M-I-S-S. Miss Scott. S-C-O-T-T. Scott sings well. The birds are in the tree. Miss Scott sings well. Next, third one. Leaves grow on dash. Leaves grow on. Leaves across the nana. Leaves grow on trees. Write the spelling of here. Trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. Leaves grow on trees. Next, the dash is a black bird. The dash is a black bird. Black bird M-D-S. Crow. C-R-O-W. The crow is a which color? Black color. So, black bird. The crow is a black bird. Next, the dash crows. The dash crows. Cock. C-O-C-K. Cock. The cock crows. Okay, Nana. Next, learn your dash well. Learn your dash well. College lessons. Write the spelling of your lesson. L-E-S-S-O-N. Lesson. Next, dash is our motherland. Dash is our motherland. Write the spelling of here. India. I-N-D-I-A. India. I-N-D-I-A. India is our motherland. Next, the dash is a skate dash. The dash is a skate dash. The Ganga. G-A-N-G-A. Ganga is a skate river. R-I-V-E-R. River. B Roman. Underline the nouns in the following sentence. Here sentence is there. We have to just underline the noun sentences. Sort out common and proper nouns and write them in the correct place. And here Deepak is a pilot. Deepak is a pilot. Here Deepak is a noun. Pilot is a common noun. See here, right here, pilot. P-I-L-O-T. Pilot. And what is the proper noun here? Proper noun is Deepak. D-E-E-P-A-K. Deepak. D-E-E-P-A-K. Deepak. దీపక్ అనేది నేమ్ కదా, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ స్పెషల్ వన్. పైలట్ అంటే చాలా మంది పైలట్స్ ఉంటారు. దీపక్ ఉండొచ్చు పైలట్, ఇంకా వేరే అరుణ్ ఉండొచ్చు, రాణి ఉండొచ్చు, అలా చాలా మంది ఉండొచ్చు. కాబట్టి ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ కామన్ నౌన్ అండ్ దీపక్ ఈజ్ ఎ స్పెషల్ నౌన్. నెక్స్ట్, కోల్కతా ఈజ్ ఎ బిగ్ సిటీ. కోల్కతా ఈజ్ ఎ బిగ్ సిటీ. సిటీ ఈజ్ ఎ కామన్ నౌన్. ఓకేనా? కోల్కతా ఈజ్ ఎ విచ్ వన్? ప్రాపర్ నౌన్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ నౌన్ ఆల్సో. City is also a place. Next, write here city. C-I-T-Y. City is a common noun. And what is the name? Proper noun? Kolkata. K-O-L-K-A-T-A. Kolkata. Next, India is a big country. India is a big country. Country means it is a common noun. Right here, country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Country. Country is a common noun. Next, proper noun means it is a special one, no? Among this sentence, which one is a special one? As India. Right here, the spelling India. I-N-D-I-A. India. See here, fourth Roman. Arun has a bat. Arun has a bat. Bat is a common noun. Bat is a common noun. Arun is a special person in this sentence, no? So it is a proper noun. Right here in the common noun. Write the spelling of bat. What is the spelling of bat, children? Very good. B-A-T, bat. Here write the spelling of Arun. A-R-U-N, Arun. Next, Godavari is a skate river. Godavari is a skate river. River is a common noun and Godavari is a proper noun. Write the spelling of river here. Okay, Nana, see here. R-I-V-E-R, river. Here write the spelling of Godavari. G-O-D-A-V-A-R-I, Godavari. See here, ma. Proper nouns always starts from the capital letter. No, write here the capital letter at first. Okay, at first we have to write the capital letter only. Next, Mount Everest is the highest peak. Mount Everest is the highest peak. Peak is a common noun. Mount Everest is a proper noun. Write here the spelling of peak. P-E-A-K, peak. Here what we have to write, Nana? Is Mount Everest. Right here MT means Mount Everest. Okay, Mount Everest, E-V-E-R-E-S-T, Mount Everest. Next, Mary went to the hospital. Mary went to the hospital. Now here hospital is a common noun, Mary is a proper noun. Here these two are the nouns. Now right here hospital, H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L, hospital. Mary, M-A-R-Y, Mary. Okay, Nana, see here hospital is a common noun and Mary is a special person name, no, and that is proper noun. Next, Pinky has a gold ring. Pinky has a gold ring. Ring is a common noun and here Pinky is a proper noun. Pinky is a particular name in this sentence, no, that's why it is a proper noun. Right here, which name here we have to write at common noun? As ring, R-I-N-G, ring. Next, proper noun, no, what is the spelling of the Pinky, Nana? S, P-I-N-K-Y, Pinky. Next, ninth one, Motu is my pet dog. Moti is my pet dog. Here what is the spelling of common noun? Yes, dog. Write the spelling here, dog, D-O-G, dog. Next, proper noun, Moti, M-O-T-I. Okay, Nana? Next, here, Nana, Kohinoor is a famous diamond. Among the sentence, which is a common noun? Diamond is a common noun. Right here, the spelling of diamond, D-I-A-M-O-N-D, diamond. Next, proper noun, Kohinoor, K-O-H-I-N-O-O-R, Kohinoor. Here, okay, Nana, all the best and prepare well for your SA1 exams. If you have any doubts, call me. I will clarify your doubts. Thank you. God bless you.